Morning used to start at 8 o'clock and till 8 o'clock in the evening. I was there with Dr. M.A. Dole for 12 to 13 hours in a day. He is not a physician alone. He is a person who is your friend, who is your guide. He was an institution in himself.
MLD sir was the one who started the concept of TRICARE. What he meant was patient care, student care and knowledge care.
And that holistic care need not be different for any class or creed of the society, whether they are poor or rich, whether they are staying in urban areas or rural areas.
1995 पासून आपण व्हॅन सुरू केलेली आहे आणि आपण 25 पाड्यांमध्ये जातो. त्याच्यानंतर होम डिलिव्हरी ज्या होत्या त्या 90% कमी झालेल्या आहेत. पहिल्या 10 वर्षापूर्वी असं होतं, होम डिलिव्हरीजचं प्रमाण खूप जास्त होतं. म्हणजे तो बदल आता दिसतो आहे. अशा वेळी आम्ही त्यांना वारंवार ओरिएंट करतो आणि मदर अँड चाइल्ड केअर कसं घेतलं जाईल याच्याकडे जास्त फोकस असतो.
So when I came here first in 2008, that's when for the first time I understood Sir's legacy. But I could understand the philosophy that he has given to these youngsters then, that 25-30 years later they still continue to follow that.
First week after he passed away, in an untimely way, in 87, it was decided that we should found a trust in his name. This is one thing that we owe to him, to his memory. That's how the whole idea emerged.
Dr. Kumar Dhole, our chairman, and Dr. Tiwari sir, they took on the responsibility of running this trust. Dr. M.L. Dhole, if you understood, was a sharp intellectual giant. Dr. Tiwari was the emotional counterpoint. He was a binding force for our trust.
Truth is something which is always transmitted from one generation to another through experience.
All of us as homeopaths have always looked up at the Guru Parampara.
There are so many initiatives we are actually involved in, through hospitals, to colleges, through community work activities, to research programs.
So that legacy was so strong and so powerful that after 25 years it continues to guide these people. It becomes the guiding principle for them and they continue with that. That really hit me hard, and I said, this is the organization I want to be connected.